How do I reset my seat navigation system? To reset your seat navigation system, you can follow these steps. 1. Locate the power button or control knob of your seat navigation system. 2. Press and hold the power button or turn the control knob to the off position. 3. Keep the button pressed or turned for a few seconds until the screen goes blank or the system shuts down. 4. Locate the fuse box in your vehicle or disconnect the battery to cut off power to the navigation system. 5. Consult your vehicle's manual to find the specific instructions for disconnecting the power source. 6. Leave the system without power for at least 2 to 3 minutes. 7. This allows any residual power to drain and ensures a complete reset. 8. Reconnect the fuse or battery to restore power to the navigation system. 9. Press the power button or turn the control knob to the on position to start the system. 10. The seat navigation system should now initialize and begin the startup process. 11. Follow the on-screen prompts and instructions to complete the setup. 12. You may be asked to select your preferred language, time zone, and update the maps. 13. Use the appropriate buttons or knobs to navigate through the setup menus. 14. Once you have completed the setup, the navigation system should be reset and ready to use. If you encounter any issues or have difficulty with the reset process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.